may you keep reaching a milestone in the coming days as well. Congratulations, students. You did a great job. A big round of applause, children. We move to the next class. Now we move to the next class, class 2nd B. In class 2nd B also we have 3 students on 3rd position. Hania Kanal, she got 3rd position with 96%. Maida Parvez on 3rd position with 96%. And Aina Anwar also got 3rd position with 96%. And on 2nd position we have Faiza Mubashir with 98%. Umme Habiba, she got 2nd position with 98%, and on 1st position we have 2 students, very close percentage between them, Hidayah Kamal with 99% and Alishba Azam with 99.75%. Very well done, students. Heartfelt congratulations, your efforts have been rewarded very well. Before moving ahead, I request Honorable School Management to have a group photograph with all the winners. This is the time to capture this moment. All the class teachers from class nursery to 2nd are required to come on the stage for group photograph. We congratulate our rank holders for achieving such splendid results. It is the wonder to see that their hard work has paid dividend. Memories. Thank you, Amit sir, Priyanka ma'am, to capture these moments with your iPhone. Thank you, children. We have a pause. Let the children get back down. Then we'll continue with class 3. Now we move to the class 3rd A. Teachers are requested to take their
munchkins down the stage very fast. Chinu ma'am, please hurry up. We need to announce another class also. Please.
We move to the next class. Next class is 3rd A. In class 3rd A, Shireen Iram got 3rd position with 96.06%. Myra Noor got 2nd position with 97.75%. And on 1st position there are 2 students, Ayat Sharif and Inaya Khan with 99%. Congratulations. Students, keep clapping for them.
Children, you made us proud with your fantabulous result. I must say this is a spectacular.
Now we move to the next class. Next class is 3rd B. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students who got 3rd position in class 3rd B. Niti Goel, Nitishika Power and Anshi Verma with 95%. And on 2nd position we have Aliza Humera, Navanya Shukla with 97%. And the 1st position goes to Akshata Agarwal with 98.81%. Congratulations. Brilliant job on getting such great ranks. Your commitment to excellence is commendable. Keep shining bright. Now I am moving to class 4th A. Zainab Azam 92%, Akshara Goel 92%, they back 3rd position. Dhruvi Gumba got 2nd position with 97%. And yes, Anvi Saxena and Zainab Siddiqui, they got 1st position with 98%. Congratulations. I must say Anvi Saxena is an all-rounder girl. 3 cheers for you. Hip hip, children. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Me and Ruxana, we two are there only. Hip hip. You all are passed. Hip hip. Agrika, you did not get your result. We are very happy to see our 12th class students over here. 4th B. Salvi Shanawaz 97.8%, 3rd position. Lovely Sagar on 2nd position with 98%. And Rifa Salim got 1st position with 99%. Congratulations, you have won legendary exam scores. We're proud of you. And I must say shabash. Very nice, outstanding. A certificate, a medal and a gift, they all are making your day a special one. Congratulations, children.
Fifth A. Rishu ma'am, I request to go down when we are calling out the winners, then move up. Thank you ma'am. Fifth A, Sanvi Agrawal 95%, Myra Agrawal 95%, and they both got that position. Ashiza Javed and Aisha Fatima with 96% got second position, and again first position is backed by Yukti Agrawal and Inaya Fatima with 98%. Congratulations children.
नया पानी मंगाया
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. I'm moving to class 5th B. Kanak Verma with 93% on third position, Afifa Shadab with 95% on second position, and Fatima Zura with 97% on first position.